What if I could show you one way, one hack that you could use to create a full-blown monthly content calendar for your business in just one click? When I mean one click, I mean one click. Let's dive right into the video. I'm your host, Sarah Oba. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sarah Oba and you're watching Sarah Oba Digital. On this channel, I talk about all things digital marketing, content marketing, AI marketing, and basically everything that you need to roll and scale a successful business in today's day and age. If that sounds like your jam, I want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification. A thumbs up wouldn't be a bad idea. And also make sure you share this video with your family and friends just to make sure that everyone is sharing the juice just as you are learning as well. So let's go down to the basics, okay? Let's be honest. Creating a content calendar is a lot of work, to be very honest. It takes a lot of ideation, it takes a lot of research, it takes a lot of putting together, and apart from even having the content idea and the calendar itself, you still have to make sure you create the content, okay? So just in case it's something that has to do with you creating graphics or creating videos or creating whatever, you just know that you, apart from you having to have the content calendar there, you also do have a lot of other works to do in order for you to materialize, or will I say bring your content ideas to realization. So honestly speaking, creating a content calendar is something that a lot of us shy away from, especially business owners, small business students would say, because it's a lot of work, to be very honest. Maybe not a lot of work, but it's not something that's interesting and exciting, because sometimes you might have to sit down and just plan this thing all at once, okay? And just in case you're someone who is still thinking about the idea of having a content calendar, let me tell you one reason why you need to make sure you have a calendar, a content calendar, even if it's monthly, even if it's quarterly or yearly. You're a boss, honestly, if you could do yearly. But then honestly, if you have a content calendar, you would really save so much time and really avoid so much burnout, to be very honest. Just imagine if you have a content calendar for a year, like you have a full-blown content calendar for a year. I'm not talking about BS now. I'm talking about a content calendar that's going to tell you every single thing you need to create, depend on the frequency of creation, right? So let's say you create content or you need to post content twice a week. So it tells you 3 times a week, these are the exact things that I need to talk about. These are the exact things I need to create content about. These are the exact contents I need to create thrice every single week, and it's all done for you. Honestly, it's such a relief, because now you don't have to, you have to only think once and let it just flow, okay? Think once and let it flow. So if you're someone who doesn't have a content calendar and you're a business owner, you definitely want to make sure that you get one, and hence you are definitely watching this video, so you would definitely be able to do this in a click and you do not have any excuse. So anyway, enough of the talk, let's get right into the main business for today, which is how to create a monthly content calendar in one click. I'm not even joking. Obviously, we're going to be using ChatGPT, and not just ChatGPT, by the way. We're going to be using ChatGPT in integration with AIPRM. As you can see, I'm still trying to look on my computer to pronounce the name because it's an abbreviation. And just in case you guys are wondering what is AIPRM, AIPRM is a prompt generator, this library of already generated prompts for you. So just in case you don't know what prompt is, I wouldn't really be going in depth. I wouldn't be talking about that in this video, but just in case you want me to make a video about this, let me know that in the comment section below, and I'll definitely make a video about this for you guys. I already have my ChatGPT integrated with AIPRM. As you can see, my dashboard is already customized, which is very unusual compared to your normal ChatGPT dashboard. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff here, and I'll explain that in a minute. AIPRM, you have like so many prompts. Apart from marketing, I focus on the marketing part of it. There's so many kind of prompts, and as you can see under the marketing part of it, you have the buyer personal legend, you have different tabs, Instagram postcards generators, which I will be creating more tutorials about this from time to time. So you definitely want to make sure that you subscribe and turn on the bell notification just so you get notified. So as you can see here, there is already a prompt template for this. What I'm going to do is basically just click on this prompt, okay? And once you do that, there's a way it's integrated to ChatGPT that it's already telling ChatGPT what ChatGPT should do, right? That is why it's a prompt template. So it's done for you already. So basically, as you can see here, they're like output in the tone and the writing style. So this is where you get to change the language, your language of choice. I will be sticking with English, but as you can see, there are tons of languages to select from. And the tone as well, I think they're just giving us the option of the default and emotional, just because I'm using the free version. But in case you have the plus, obviously you'll be seeing much more options than this. So I will say default. Honestly, I don't want to be emotional. Poetic or default, also for the writing style. You can choose to make it poetic or not. I honestly do not want anything poetic, but if you do, you have the option, but I'll be sticking with default for this video. And so as you can see down below, it says insert the primary keyword you want to create content for. This is essentially essential, okay? It is essentially important. So this is where, just in case you're wondering what a keyword is, right? A keyword is basically the major, what your business is about. Basically, when you think about your business, when a potential customer thinks about your business, what does your content, what would they say? What would they type? Okay, that is a keyword. Okay, so we're going to be inserting the primary keyword that I want to create content for. So this is basically a 1 word or 2 word or 3 word, basically describing what your business is about. For example, if I want to do this with my business, I would say digital marketing, because that is like my keyword, my primary keyword. All in all, everything I do, all my YouTube channel, every single content outlet is basically based in digital marketing. So if you're someone who is into fashion, you're into coaching services, you're into courses, whatever you are into, just put the primary keyword here. So for this video, I'm gonna pretend that I'm a fashion business owner, and I will just be entering the keyword fashion, and I will say women, fashion, maybe accessories. Okay, let's go with accessories. And once you do that, press enter, and let's see what we have here. So this is a time where I like to ooze out a little bit and maybe just grab myself a cup of coffee, just something just to chill and allow ChatGPT honestly do the work for me. All right, guys. So once it is done generating, which basically took about a minute or so, you can see here that you have week 1, week 2, down to week 4, okay? And it's basically taking it from today. So if you are creating this from week 1, you would have 4 weeks. 4 weeks, okay? So it's just basically trying to be smart to let me know that, okay, so if you're starting from today, here is 1 month of content, here is content for the remaining days of the month. So as you can see here, every single day I have one thing to talk about. And it's basically taking this, tailoring this to blog post titles. Obviously, once you have these topics, you can turn into whatever thing you want. You can turn into Instagram Reels, you can turn into YouTube videos, you can turn into, you know, graphics, whatever you want, honestly. And you can use this across any social media platform of your choice. On day 1, the idea is 10 must-have women fashion accessories for a stylish look. Now, I could decide to create a blog post from it, and obviously the best approach when it comes to creating content, especially if you definitely have to create content across several social media platforms or several platforms. So this is where you have to be smart. I always advise people to start with long form content first, like YouTube or blog posts, and then break it down into different social media platforms as you move on. 10 must-have fashion accessories. You can turn this into a blog post or YouTube video, and then you can cut the YouTube video down into little shorts or Instagram Reels or TikToks or whatever social media platform that you use, or even tweets. You can just go over this personally. And obviously, like I will always say, never you just copy and paste every single thing you see from ChatGPT directly without cross-checking. Always make sure that you cross-check as you go on, just to make sure that ChatGPT is aligning with your brand. And there you have it, guys. What I will usually do is basically take this, copy and paste it into my Notion pad, or even better still, I can actually export this as a file, a Word document, and or even an Excel sheet. And basically you're going to just have this saved on your PC or whatever device that you were using, and you can easily copy and paste it, fine tune it, and basically that is 1 month content calendar. Okay, so if you want to now turn this and flash this into real content, what you have to do is just take this, just a little bonus in this video, okay? Take this one, okay, and paste it into this place and ask ChatGPT to, let's see what ChatGPT has to say about this, honestly. And as you can see here, guys, ChatGPT is already giving me a full-blown blog post, honestly speaking. This is so amazing. ChatGPT is a lifesaver. I cannot overemphasize. And yeah, guys, so you can just basically do this for each of the topics that you have that is already in the content calendar, and it will flesh it out for you, whether you want a blog post, whether you just want it to be a tweet, whether you want it to be a YouTube video. You can turn it into a script. Okay, I wouldn't be going into that in this video, but there are definitely ways that you can do that. And by the way, just in case you guys haven't watched the video that I created about how to use ChatGPT specifically for creating blog posts, I would drop a link here, or I would just drop a link down in the description box below, just so you could check it out and you could know how to actually do it. It's very essential that you do it in my method, or if there's a better method, you want to try that as well, because I really went really in depth in that video explaining the nitty-gritty when it comes to creating a high quality blog post using ChatGPT that Google would recognize and that can also stand the test of time when it comes to Google. So that's also one content you want to go and watch. You can check it out here, and don't forget to watch the other videos I have on my YouTube channel as well. Definitely going to help you out in your business when it comes to AI and marketing. And yeah, guys, that is what I have for you guys to this video. That is exactly how you can create 1 month of content for your business in just one click, okay? And thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, definitely make sure that you subscribe, okay? You can do it now. You don't have to wait too much, just subscribe, because I will be teaching you guys how to increase your revenue. Honestly, that's what this channel is about. So also make sure you turn on the bell notification just so whenever I post a video, you do not miss out, okay? And thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, and share this video with your family and friends as well. And yeah, guys, until the next video, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. I remain Sarah Abba, your host at Sarah Abba's Digital. Take care.